Sherry here from Cooking with Sherry. Today's an exciting day. I just got a package from Amazon. Let's see what's in it. It's my package from Lovecasa. Let's see what's inside this package. Do I have you in suspense yet? It's packaged really, really well. This box was in the big box, and if you want to look, we've got nice styrofoam packaging inside that. The styrofoam is taped together. Isn't this gorgeous? Beautiful color. This is Lovecasa's 8x8 stoneware ceramic baking dish. It kind of reminds me of the old-time Southern baking dishes, back when my great-grandmother used to bake. And it's made out of scratch-resistant ceramic. Very nice. The beigeish color complements this dark red color. Very, very pretty. I don't have anything this nice. This is exciting. What's really nice about this is that you can bake in it. Your casseroles, your dessert. You could even put a small chicken in here and roast the chicken. And then put it on a heat-resistant pad, and then you can serve it straight from the dish. And then when you're done with it, stick it in the refrigerator and store it. And then the next day, for leftovers, just take it out and reheat it. Very versatile. Being as this is made out of ceramic, it retains heat. Being a young mother, you know your kids' food come first, and then when you finally get to sit down and eat, it's usually cold. Well, if you don't dish up right away, this retains the heat, it keeps your food hotter longer, and you'll be able to have a hot meal just like everyone else in the family. This would be perfect for them and anybody else. Another great feature that this baking dish has, easy cleanup. The food will not stick. So whether you wash by hand or in the dishwasher, the food will come right off. You won't have to soak it. That will save you time. And these days, time is money. I'm going to be giving this a try today, and I'll be making apple crisp. It's going to look gorgeous in this red ceramic baking dish from Lovecasa. So here's the Lovecasa 8x8 ceramic baking dish, and I made the apple crisp in it, and as you can see, it turned out wonderfully. So if you're interested in this, I'll leave a link down below. Until next time, this is Sherry from Cooking with Sherry.